Raindrop Original Style C. This is what the hair looks like after cropping. Apply glue to stick the hair and apply glue to stick it. Every corner should be painted in place. Glue the legs below and stick them on the other side. Apply glue to arms. Paste. Other arm, same method. Next, 4 pieces of double-sided tape are applied to the eyes. Cut another half. According to the dotted line position, adjust the left, right, and bottom. Apply double-sided tape along the eyelid strips. First, stick the 2 middle ones to fix them. Cut the remaining half into half. Posted all the spots in punched holes. After drilling the holes, it is ready to be assembled. If the nail is too long, you can cut it off a little. Another one. Wear nails. Apply glue. Paste. Wear nails. When assembling the arms and inserting nails, you need to cut a little bit. Use cut-out scrap paper. Cut a small strip about 1 centimeter wide and set aside. Apply glue to a small strip and stick it along the neck. Assembling hair nails. Make a hole here for the eye. Cut off the excess part. Drilling holes to assemble the head. Wear nails. Button double-sided tape. Pay attention to the position when applying glue. While the glue is still wet, be fast. Find the right location. Press here to peel off the head where the glue is applied. Align and press to insert the eye tabs. Okay, done. Show it.